The second smallest country in the world, located on the Mediterranean Sea and surrounded by France, is the most luxurious state on this planet. Despite its small size, it offers a spectacular skyline with tall buildings and a beautiful harbor full of luxurious yachts. Welcome to Monaco. With an area of only 2.0 square kilometers, Monaco is a compact yet impressive city-state. The Port of Monaco, known as Port Hercule, is one of the country's most iconic sites, surrounded by towering buildings that reflect Monaco's luxury. The country is known as a tax haven, making it an attractive location for the super-rich and celebrities. The famous Monte Carlo casino plays a crucial role in the economy and the glamour of the country. A week after my visit, the world-famous Monaco Grand Prix begins here. It was fascinating to witness the construction of the circuit and walk through the streets where the fastest cars in the world will soon race. The stands were already set up, and the excitement was palpable in the air. The Monaco Grand Prix is one of the most prestigious events in the Formula One calendar. First held in 1929, it is a race like no other, characterized by its narrow, winding streets and lack of runoff areas, making it one of the most challenging circuits for drivers. Monaco-Ville, the old part of the country, is a maze of narrow streets full of history. This old town offers a glimpse into Monaco's past, with charming alleys and historic buildings. The Prince's Palace is the official residence of the Grimaldi family, who have ruled here for over 700 years. The palace is not only a royal symbol but also an important historical monument. The Cathedral of Monaco, also located in Monaco-Ville, is the final resting place of many members of the Grimaldi family, including Princess Grace Kelly. This cathedral, built in the late 19th century, is a beautiful mix of neo-Romanesque and Gothic architecture. It is a place of reverence and reflection, where you can feel the history of this royal family. From Monaco-Ville, you have a breathtaking view over the city and the harbor. The contrast between the old town and the modern skyline is truly unique. I highly recommend anyone to visit this special country. I hope you enjoyed this video and my tour through Monaco. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching and see you soon.